Hello students, welcome to another class where we will learn AP today, arithmetic progression. So let's begin. So arithmetic progression, in short it is called AP. That's a special kind of sequence having a pattern. Let me show you. Suppose there is a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and all. So in this sequence you see 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 and like it goes on. So we can say the difference between 4 minus 2 is equal to difference between 6 minus 4, 6 and 4 is equal to the difference between 8 and 6 and all. So এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি the difference between two successive elements, two successive numbers, they are equal. Okay, when these things happen, যখন এই ব্যাপারটাই হয়, then this type of sequence is called arithmetic progression or AP. When the difference between two successive numbers in a sequence, their difference is equal, then this sequence is called AP, arithmetic progression. Hence that sequence is now in AP, where the difference, which is called common difference is equals to D equals to 2, and the term with which the AP is starting, that is the first term. Let it goes up to 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of terms is 10. There are 10 terms. So the common difference is 2. First term is 2 and the number of terms is 10 and 20 is the last term. So common difference denoted by D, first term is generally denoted by A or A1, number of terms is N and the last term is AN or L. Okay, so this is an AP. Now শুধু কি difference positively আসবে, মানে will it be an increasing sequence? No, it may be a decreasing sequence also. Like 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and all. Here the difference is 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 4 minus of minus 2 is minus 2. Hence the difference is negative and the sequence is decreasing. It is a decreasing AP. Arithmetic is a decreasing arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression ব্যাপারটা হলো, there are other such kinds of progression, 1, 2, 5, 8, 10, 12. See, the difference is 1, the difference is 3, the difference is 3, the difference is 2 and the difference is 2. Here the difference is not same. Hence it is, though it is a sequence, it is not an AP. Sequence to ache but AP to nahi. Okay, now let's generalize AP. Let the first term be A1, second term be A2, third term be A3, fourth term be A4 and or up to n terms. There are n number of terms. Okay, so A2 minus A1, it is the common difference D. A3 minus A2, it is the common difference D. A4 minus A3, it is the common difference D. Like এর করতে করতে to n terms, let the last term be an. Let the last term be an. So an minus 1 equals to D. তাহলে যেটা আমরা বুঝতে পারছি কি A2 minus A1 is A3 minus A2 is A4 minus A3 is equal to AN minus 1 equals to D. These things happen. So এটা AP তে আছে, তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি কি A1 equals to, that is তো okay, A1 plus 0 into D. A2 equals to A1 plus D So D means A1 plus 1 into D. A3 equals to A2 plus D. Now A2, that A2 is A1 plus D now. So A1 plus D plus D. So A1 plus 2 into D. So A4 equals to A3 plus D, which is A3 is A1 plus 2D. So A1 plus 2D plus D, that is A1 plus 3D. So like এইভাবে গেলে পরে what we observe is when A1, then the coefficient of D is 0. When A2, the coefficient of D is 1. When 3, the coefficient of D is 2. And when 4, the coefficient of D is 3. Now when n, the coefficient of D is n minus 1, if we follow that pattern. So here we get a formula to get nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is given by an equals to A1 plus n minus 1 into D, where an is the nth term, A1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. This is the formula to get the nth term of an AP. So আমরা বুঝলাম nth term of an AP কি. Now we will understand the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or AM. Suppose there are three numbers A, B, C, and they are in AP. তাই যদি হয় from the previous discussion, we know that B minus A equals to C minus B, because they have same common difference. So B plus B equals to A plus C, or 2B equals to A plus C, B equals to A plus C by 2. That B is the AM of A and C. B is the AM of A and C. তাহলে যখন when ABC are in AP, that B is the AM, okay, of A and C. Now if you are told that is the result. Now if you are told that find the arithmetic mean of 10 and 15, you will just add them and divide by 2. So you have 25 by 2, that's 12.5 is the arithmetic mean of 10 and 15. Now we will get accustomed to some notations, like suppose in an AP a sum is given, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, like let's suppose it is not an AP, it's just some terms and they are getting added. So এটাকে না collectively we can write summation, that is sign of summation sigma. So we will write it like AI, and here I 1 to n. So we will write that A1 plus A2 as summation AI. I runs from 1 to n. I runs from 1 to n, where n belongs to natural number. We have to specify these things. মানে I এর ভ্যালু 1 থেকে শুরু হবে, 1 2 3 4 করে 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 n অবধি যাবে। ওকে, সো একবার যদি I এর ভ্যালু যখন 1 হবে তখন AI টা 1 হবে। as the sum, as the notation sigma is given, তো এখানে প্লাস আসবে। I এর ভ্যালু 1 হয়ে গেল, এবার I এর ভ্যালু 1.1 1.2 1.4 কিছু কি হতে পারে, but I have specified that n as natural number, therefore after 1 2 will only come, so it will be A2, it will be A3, and like এরকম করে করে 1 to it will be AN. Okay, summation of n terms of any sequence. Okay, it is a sequence, এটা sequence, ঠিক আছে, এখন APGP বলছি না। It is a notation, যদি এরকম নোটেশন হয় like a1 into a2 into a3 into dot 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 into an, it will be, you will give a u sign, I runs from 1 to n, ai. Same thing, n belongs to n natural number. So মানে কি I equals to 1 তখন a1 আছে, এই u টা যেটা আছে, for this multiply sign will come, then a2 again multiply, then a3 and goes on. So these are few notations. We will not deal with this notation right now, we will deal with that one. So our first notation is summation I runs from 1 to n. This means I is jagay 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 up to n. So it will be summation of n natural numbers. This is called summation of n natural numbers. The sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. One to n, that means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, n square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This proof can be done by using induction, and this can be done using AP only, using AP formula, summation formula. And summation I runs from 1 to n, I cube, that means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, n cube, that will be n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. These are the three things we need to know for AP. Now we will find the formula of summation of n terms of an AP. Now we will find the formula. So let there be an AP where the first term is a1, second term is a1 plus d, third term is a1 plus 2d, a1 plus 3d, and dot 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 a1 plus n minus 1d. That is the nth term, and that is the first term where the common difference is d. So Sn, which will be summation ai runs from 1 to n, will be now a1 plus d, a1 plus 2d, a1 plus 3d, a1 plus n minus 1 d. If we add this thing, দেখো a1 করে n খানা a1 আছে, there are n a1s, so n into a1 plus c for d plus 2d plus 3d plus dot 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 plus n minus 1d, n a1 plus, if we take d common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 to n minus 1 terms. Okay, last formula আমরা পড়েছিলাম কি up to n terms. Now we are doing the n minus 1 terms. So in case of n terms, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n, আমাদের ছিল n into n plus 1 by 2. Now in case of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 to n minus 1 terms, first n টা n minus 1 দিয়ে replace হবে, it will be n minus 1 into n minus 1 it will be n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, মানে এখানে যে n ছিল এই জায়গায় I have placed n minus 1, এখানে যে n ছিল I have placed n minus 1, rest of same. So now it is minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, is n into n minus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot n minus 1 is n into n minus 1 by 2. Therefore, that is na1 plus d into n minus 1 by 2. Now taking n by 2 common, n by 2. Now if I take n by 2 common, then এখান থেকে 2 to the 2a1 and that is n minus 1 d. So Sn equals to n by 2 2a1 n minus 1 d. It has another derivation also. You can write it as n by 2 a1 plus n minus 1 d. That a1 plus n minus 1 d is the last term. So we can also write it n by 2 a1 plus an. There is a sum of n natural numbers. There is sum of n terms of an AP. So we have got the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. Now the last thing for today's class is what to assume if I am told that 3 numbers are in AP, 4 numbers are in AP. If in a sum you were told that 3 numbers are in AP whose sum is like this and the product of which is like this, you will not assume let the 3 numbers be a1 plus d, a1 plus 2d. This is also in AP, but you will not assume it, that it will make your calculation complex. What it will assume? You will assume is let the numbers be a minus d, a plus d. You will assume these 3 numbers are in AP. Let the numbers be a minus d, a plus d. See here the common difference is d. So these are in AP. If you are told the 4 numbers are in AP, if you are told let the 4 numbers are in AP, then you will assume a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. See the common difference is 2d. If you are told that 5 numbers are in AP, you will assume a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d. See the common difference is 2d. You will assume numbers like this and it will ease your calculation. Now another application. Some like we have learned that the summation of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. Summation of square of first n natural number is n into 2n, n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Now we will see why it gets applied. Let there is a number an which is denoted by n plus 1 whole square. You have to find the sum to n terms. You have to find the sum to n terms. So here Sn equals to summation n. So summation an is n plus 1 whole square. So n square plus 2n plus 1. The sum to n terms, okay. The summation gets distributed. Summation n square plus summation 2n plus summation 1. The summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Summation 2n at first 2 will come outside of summation as it is a constant term. And summation 1, মানে 1 কে n বার add করা, that is n. So n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2. Summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. So cancel 2. Take n common. So n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, n plus 1 plus 1. So now you can do further calculation, which will bring your final answer. So we have got an application of summation n square, summation n, and what all of this. So that's all for today. This is the in this class we have learned the sum of n terms of an AP, the the formula of nth term, formula to get nth term of an AP. Arithmetic mean, what we will assume when you are told to take assume 3 terms in AP, 4 terms in AP, 5 terms in AP. And also we have learned to do these kinds of sums where an is given, you have to find the sum. You can apply the summation of first n numbers, summation of square of first n numbers, and like this. Okay, so today's class is ending today. Thank you.